Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 11th July 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, each of you now has to think about yourself and not others, because, according to this drama, whoever does anything receives the return of it. Question. What have you souls become aware of by becoming Trikaldarshi? Answer. You souls have become aware that you were originally residents of the incorporeal world, and that you came here to play your parts in this drama. You became the main actors and played your parts for 84 births. You are now personally in front of the Father, and you will then go back home with Him. You have to become pure and return home and then go to the land of happiness. The whole of this play is based on Bharat. You souls have become aware of all of this by becoming Trikaldarshi. Song is to live in your lane and to die in your lane. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Watch this unlimited play as a detached observer. Don't be afraid of anyone. In order to become fearless, make the lesson, I am a soul, firm. Number 2. Check and test yourself to see that none of your physical senses cause mischief. Have I conquered the vice of lust? To what extent have I become soul conscious? Blessing for today. May you be a fortunate soul who experiences the true Suhag, fortune of having a husband, by having the awareness of the one Father. Details are: those who hear but do not hear the words of others, who do not take any awareness of other souls into their thoughts or dreams, that is, those who are not subservient to any bodily being, and have the awareness of belonging to the one Father and none other, have the tilak of the imperishable Suhag applied on them. Only those who have their true Suhag are fortunate. Slogan is: in order to make your stage elevated, first be introverted before you have go into extroversion. Avyakt signal. Stay in the volcanic stage and experience powerful remembrance. When you put something into a fire, its name, form and quality changes. In the same way, when you put yourself in the fire of remembrance of the Father, you become transformed. From human beings, you become Brahmans, and from Brahmans, you become angels, who then become deities. Such transformation takes place in this fire of love, that no consciousness of oneself remains, and this is why this remembrance is said to be of the volcanic form. Om Shanti.